Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today, chapter number 2, Skeleton System, we have completed all the exercises. Now, question number 4, answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1, distinguish between movable and immovable joints. Distinguish between movable and immovable joints. Okay, so for this answer, move to page number 17. See, so you have to write down immovable joints, joints that do not allow the movement of bones. Movable joints, joints that allow movement of bones are called movable joints. So this is answer for part A. Okay, answer A. Now move to question number 2, part B. List the functions of skeleton. So for this answer, move to page number 15. Here it is given functions of skeleton. Number 1, gives shape and support to the body. Number 2, protect delicate internal organs. Number 3, help to bring about movement with the help of muscles attached to bones. So these 3 points are the functions of skeleton. That is answer number 2. Now question number 3, distinguish between tendons and ligaments. Distinguish between tendons and ligaments. For this answer, move to page number 18. New words. See here, tendons and ligaments are given. Okay, so these 2 points you have to write down as answer number C, tendons and ligaments. Okay, now move to question number D. Define the terms joint, cartilage. So for answer number D, move to page number 18 again. Okay, first is joint. Okay, so you have to write down first joint, a place where two bones meet. A place where two bones meet. This is first part. And then cartilage, a strong elastic flexible tissue in the body. A strong elastic flexible tissue in the body. This is cartilage. This is answer number D. Okay, now move to part E. How can we keep our bones healthy and strong? For this answer, let's move to page number 18 again. See, one point is given in the quick recall. It is important to exercise regularly and eat food rich in calcium to keep bones healthy and strong. So, this is answer number E. Now, move to next question. Name the 4 kinds of movable joints. Write one line about each. For question number F, move to page number 17. See, within the heading movable joints, what you have to do, first write down answer and then put a dash and write down the 4 kinds of movable joints are. The 4 kinds of movable joints are, then write down number 1, hinge joints. This joint allows movement only in one direction. Okay, this joint allows movement only in one direction. Write down up to here only. Then number 2, ball and socket joint. In this joint, the end of one of the bone is round like a ball and it fit into the hollow socket of the other bone. Up to here. This is second point or second kind of movable joint. Then the third one, pivot joint. This is third. This joint allows movement sideways and up and down. Okay, so this is third point. This joint allows movement sideways and up and down. Now the fourth point is gliding joint. In this joint, the bones can slide over each other up to here. So these are the 4 types of movable joints. Okay, now answer number next question. What is a bone? For this answer, come to page number 15. See, page number 15. The bones of our body are made up of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. The bones are not solid, they are filled with bone marrow. Up to bone marrow, you have to write down the definition for bones. Okay, so this is answer number G. This is answer number G. Now move to next part. It is given what would happen if your backbone was made of one long bone only. It means if small vertebrae are not there and our backbone is made up of one long bone only. So what is the answer for this question? You have to write down from here. If our backbone was made of one long bone only, then write down the answer. After this you have to write down, then we were not able to bend, B-E-N-D, bend, T-W-I-S-T, twist and turn. If our backbone was made of one long bone only, then we were not able to bend, twist and turn. This is answer number 1 of HOTS question. Okay? Answer number 1 of HOTS question. Now move to question number 2. If someone hits you on your belly, it hurts you badly. But a similar blow on your chest does not hurt you so much. Explain why. So for this answer, write down at belly region, bones are absent. To protect. So it hurts. But in chest, RIB, rib cage is present. to protect. So this is answer for HOTS question 2. At belly region, bones are absent to protect, so it hurts. But in chest region, rib cage is present to protect. That is why it does not hurt so much. Okay, so this is for answer for question number 2. Okay, now move to next page. Question number 2. Complete the crossword puzzles with the clues provided. Okay, so for this, question number 1, the framework of bones that forms the body. So the answer for this is skull, skeleton. SKELE, skeleton, skeleton. The bony case that makes your head and face region. Number 2, SKULL, skull. Number 3, the bones of the legs. The bones of the legs. Number 3, HIND, hind, LIMBS, hind limbs. Okay, number 4, a mineral that makes up your bone. So for number 4, it is CALCIUM, calcium. Number 5, the joint in the neck, that is PIVOT, pivot. The joint in the elbow. Number 6, joint in the elbow, HINGE, hinge joint. So this is the crossword puzzles and we have completed the chapter. Okay, in the next session we will start chapter number 3. Okay, do all these questions in your notebook, all the question answers in your notebook. Okay, thank you.